Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how I made this acha pudding. Here are my ingredients. The main ingredients is acha, also known as fonio. I have a video on how to properly wash this acha and I'll link it up. Then pictured here is coconut flakes. You can use fresh coconut. I love melon seeds, so I chose to use melon seeds. Ginger for flavor and some yogurt. Now let's dive right into the business of today. You want to start with your boiling water, 2 cups of water to 1 cup of acha. Acha swells pretty much slowly, but it swells. Can you see the level of the acha in the water? That is how you want it, and it will boil for about 2 minutes, and you will think, oh my god, why is this so watery? Calm down. It is gonna combine and come together. You want to boil it for about 4 minutes, then grind or pound your ginger and bring it into this mix. I do not want the shaft of the ginger. That is why I am kind of using a method of infusion to introduce the ginger to my pudding. After this, you allow it to boil for like a minute or 30 seconds. Then, can you see it has thickened up? Like I said, do not be scared that, oh my god, it's so watery. No. As it keeps cooking, it combines and becomes thick. Next, you want to add your coconut flakes. I find that using the fresh coconut flakes, coconut that you grate by yourself, is nicer than this. And trust me, if you do not like coconut, please skip this process. Look at how thick that watery mix has come up to look like. Now, puddings, as the Igbo will call pudding, is generally sweet meals, but they are in this consistency. Let me show you how I introduce my yogurt to this mix. I put my yogurt first in my bowl, then I bring in the pudding. I love to use yogurt because I am someone who tries very hard. Well, I just like to eat healthy, and I find yogurt is healthier than milk. You can totally use milk, guys. Please feel free. Use your milk. Use your milk. This meal is particularly very good for diabetics. It is very fast to make. You don't spend the whole day in the kitchen. Very easy. In less than 10 minutes, your meal is ready. Now, I chose to use melon seeds because I totally love melon seeds. Use groundnut, use cashews, use any nuts that you love. Thank you so much for watching this far. I know I can always count on you guys. Thank you so much. I'll keep bringing you easy breakfast ideas that you can prepare like in a snap of a finger and you are done. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, and please leave me a comment or two. Let me know what you think about this breakfast recipe, acha pudding. And make sure to come back There is more on this channel. If you have subscribed, you are a darling. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing. There's fun in here and you will enjoy it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. I really, truly, truly, truly appreciate all of you. And I love you so very much. Hope you'll come back soon. Bye.